As our musical journey continues, we now enter the timeless world of Rabindra Sangeet. Our next performer is Ridhan Jha, who will present Tomari Gehe Palicho Snehe, a beautiful composition by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, based on Rag Hamaj and set to Ek Tal. Before we listen, let us remember the extraordinary legacy of Rabindranath Tagore, the Nobel laureate, poet, philosopher, educator, and composer, whose works continue to inspire generations across the world. He composed the national anthems of India and Bangladesh, and his musical vision also profoundly influenced the national anthem of Sri Lanka. Today's composition, Tomari Gehe Palicho Snehe, is a heartfelt prayer expressing complete faith, gratitude, and surrender to the divine. Its beautiful message reminds us that we are nurtured with boundless love and compassion. Please welcome Ridhan Jha.